Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm excited for this video because I have here my July Boxycharms right here. I have my base box and I have my premium box. So let's jump in to see what I got. For my base box, it says Fantasy right there. It's a pretty little card. And we're going to start off with the Pharmacy Whipped Greens Oil Free Foaming Cleanser. And that is this right here. Let's open this up. I've heard of Pharmacy. Never heard anybody talk about this cleanser here. Probably can't smell it because it's probably going to be a safety seal. Yep, of course there is. But I'm going to pop it open a little bit. Oh, it smells pretty good. It smells fresh. It smells like the sea. There's that there. Next thing and that goes for $28. The next we have in the box is Beauty Bakery Flour Setting Powder. I'm actually really glad I got this in my Boxycharm this month because I was looking into actually purchasing it. So, and it retails for $24. Let's take a look at the shade. Let's open this up. I got the shade Translucent. We're going to open it up. Can't get it. Let's get it out. Looks like it wants to storm out there. That's what it looks like right there. So pretty. Glad I got that in my box so I didn't have to spend $28. This box costs $25. So look at that. Paid for itself. Next thing we got is Generation Skin Hydrating Marine Algae Eye Patches. So got this right here. Focus, focus, focus. We'll just do Gen Skin. How about that? I'm not going to open this up. It seems like it's sealed with like cellophane here. I've never heard of them at all. I don't use eye patches, so it'll be kind of interesting and fun to put that on and see what that feels like. You know, I do have some old decrepit skin underneath there. I'm not young. Alright, next thing we have here is Outre. I don't know how to pronounce that. It's the 8-in-1 plus CBD leave-in conditioner for your hair right here. This is the bottle. Why is nothing focusing? There we go. And let's take a quick smell. It's like a fruity smell. It almost smells like a Garnier Nutrice shampoo that I have used, which means it's a pleasant smell. I do enjoy it, and hopefully it's a hydrating one because my hair is pretty brittle and dry. Next, and that goes, oh, I'm sorry, the Generation Skin Hydrating Eye Patches go for $49.99. The leave-in conditioner is $30. Last thing we have in the box is Basic Beauty Summer Lip Oil, and this goes for $18 right here. Let's see if you can see. Pretty little pink packaging with like rose gold foil rating on it. It's just like a regular, it's got like a pink tint. Let's see what it smells. Kind of has like a coconut, like almost the Vaseline cocoa butter body lotion. That's almost like what that smells like. That's it for that box. And box that I think I'm most excited for, because there's only really one thing that I'm really excited about in the base box, and that's the flower powder. Not flower powder. Oh my god. It's the Beauty Bakery flower powder, setting powder. But in this box here, I already knew what they were doing with this box, and I'm so excited. But it is the Boxycharm Premium times Norvina, Anastasia, Beverly Hills. Everything in here is by Anastasia Beverly Hills. So let's get on into this. This is just what the card looks like right there. The first thing we have in here is the Norvina Pro Pigment Palette Volume 3. And this retails for $60. Got this one. I was able to choose which one I wanted. I was up in the air if I wanted the purple or if I wanted the orange. But I don't know. I think I might use these colors more. Even though I'm really not a bright girl. But I'm sure I can have some fun with it. And as always, I will be doing the try on portion of this video another time. And pretty much everything I'll be using is from the premium box. The next we have here is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Powder Bronzer. Got this right here. There, let's see what shade I got. It says Rich Amber. I think I was able to pick this one too, and I wasn't sure about the shade since I've never owned anything from ABH, but that actually looks like a pretty good color for me. So it's not too dark, it's not too light. So pretty excited about that one. I don't remember if I said $28 for that. Next we have ABH Lash Brag Volumizing Mascara. As I do like getting mascaras and trying new mascaras, I just wish they were in waterproof, because that's pretty much the only kind of mascaras I use is waterproof. So I guess I would just put this on and just put my regular waterproof one on top of it. And of course this is in, it's in black. Obviously, I can't see shade color. It just says Lash Brag Volumizing Mascara. Is it going to open? Trying to get this thing open. Packaging these days. Oh, it feels kind of like it's a metal. It's pretty heavy. I actually like that ombre from black to like rose gold. Alright, moving on. We have ABH Brow Definer. Guess that's listed here. I love their packaging. Rose gold packaging. This is in the shade Taupe. I have brown hair. A medium brown hair. So I don't know. Spoolie. Nice little spoolie. I don't know if this is going to be my shade. And this isn't something I was able to pick. So, I mean, I guess I could get it to work. That's the color right there. I don't know if you can see. I mean, I guess I could get it to work. I don't know. I wish it was a little more on the cool side. This looks, it has a little bit of a reddish tone to it. That retails for $23. So we'll just see how that works. Whatever. If not, I'm glad I have it. And I will make it definitely work. We have the ABH Dewy Setting Spray here. I'm okay with dewy once in a while. You know, most people like it to be really matte in the summer. Why? I'm still only going to... okay. I'm going to still be sweating no matter what anyway. And that's what the bottle looks like. I almost thought it had glitter in it. But no, it's the bottle. It's just the bottle itself. It's pretty rosy gold glitter. And that's it right there. There's no... I hope there's no glitter inside of it. That retails for $26. And the last thing we have here in the ABH box is the A30 Pro Brush Domed Kabuki Brush. And this retails for $24. Let's see. Get this out of the package. Oh, he's a cute little Kabuki brush. He's a tiny little guy. He's so cute. This would be cute for a bronzing moment. It could be good for under eye concealer. Whatever the heck I feel like it could be used for. Use it for foundation. Might take me a little longer to do it on my big fat face. But I can make it work. So, all in all, I think my favorite box is the Boxycharm Premium X Norvina Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. Not palette. Box. The base box was a little bit of a disappointment this month, but I'll make it work. I got a couple things out of it that I think I'll play around with. So I think I'm going to wrap this video up here, and I'll do the try on portion in a later date. That video will be up after this one. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below anything you would like to see from me, or in fact, comment anything. Tell me about yourselves. Tell me where you're from. Tell me if you got any of these boxes and what you liked in the box. And if you're new here, please don't forget to click that button down below and subscribe. And until I see you again, have a great day. Thanks. Bye.